Hello dear student, welcome to Gayas classes for mathematics. Today we will study very important chapter of class 11 set. At first we see what is the set. Set is a group of well-defined objects. Sets are usually denoted by capital letter ABC. Elements of sets are denoted by a small letter ABC. Okay, so set is a group of well-defined objects. For example, set A is a group of English alphabet vowels. So you say A equal to, for example, this is a set A. So set A equal to A, E, I, O, U. It is a well-defined group. Well-defined group means if you ask any person, what is the vowels of the English alphabet, he will say A, E, I, O. So answer is same for every person. So this is a well-defined. Similarly, if A is a group of best singer, the answer of this vary person to person. So this is not well-defined. So set is a group of well-defined objects, and the set is usually denoted by capital letter, and the member or element of a set is denoted by a small letter A, E, I, O, U here, and you can say any small letter A, B, C, denoted by the elements of the set, and the set is denoted by capital letter A, B, C. Now see you the second point. Second point is representation of set. That means how to write set, how to represent the set. There are generally two methods of representing the set. First one is roster form or tabular form. In this method, all elements are listed with commas in the bracket. In the method of roster form or tabular form, all elements of sets are written with commas in a bracket. For example, set A equal to A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U. So AEIOU is a member of set A, or AEIOU belongs to set A. So this is a symbol A belongs to set A, or A is a member of set A. You see, AEIOU is a member, B is not the member of set. So you can write B is not member of set A, or B not belong to set A. Just come the next point, that is set builder form. Set builder form is a second method of writing the set. In this method, all elements are not listed. Only their common properties are listed. For example, set A equal to X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. This is a common property that A is a group in which all the elements are vowel. So X, where X is a vowel in the English alphabet, here also the member is AEIOU. So this is a set builder form. In this method, all the members are not written, only their common properties are written. Now this is the note important point. Element of set are not repeated. Element of set are not repeated. Yani the set of elements are only written one times, not repeated. And order of elements are not matter. Yani if the set A is a member of 1 to 3 or 3 to 1, both are same. Suppose A is a set. Members are suppose AB, and you can write BA. Both are same. Yani AB or BA both are the same set. Order of element have no matter, not any effect. Element of sets are not repeated. Suppose you cannot write here just like AA, yeah, AB, any elements are not repeated. Okay. Now just come to the next point. This is the example for set of letter forming the word is school is given. Suppose this is the word is school. So this is the word is school, and you have to write set of all the words of the letter. Yani set is yani you have to write set of all the letters of the word is school. So set A equal to S C H O L. Here this is a 2O. but O cannot be repeated. O only one times. O only one times. So SCHOL. Second one, write the solution set of the equation x square plus x minus. Write the solution set of the equation x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. So just find the solution of this quadratic equation. You know well how to solve this quadratic equation. Yes, you see here. Just like x square and this is x. So you can write this 2x minus x minus 2 equal to 0. We have split this x, 2x minus x. Now take x common. So this is x plus 2. Here minus 1 is common. So this is x plus 2. This equal to 0. So x plus 2 and this is x plus 2. So x plus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to what? That is 1 minus 2. So solution set of this equation will be what? That is 1 and minus 2. This is a solution set of the equation x square plus x minus 2. Now just you see the next question. Write the set x such that x is a positive integer and x square is less than 40 in the roster form. You know well what is the roster form? In the roster form, we write all the members with commas in a bracket. So you see, suppose A is a set. In roster form, where it's a positive integer. You know what is the positive integer? That is 1, 2, 3 is a positive integer. You can say all natural numbers are positive integer. So when you take x1, 1 square is 1, 2, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So this is 3. 4 square is 16. So this is also 4. 5 square is 25. So this is 5. 6 square is 36. But 7 square is 49 because x square is less than 40. So our answer is set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, and 6 square is 36. So set is the x where x is a positive integer and x square is less than 40. 40 satisfy this group. So A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 the roster form of this set. Now just come to the next question. Write the set A equal to 1, 4, 9, 16 in the set builder form. You know well what is the set builder form? Set builder form is a method of writing or representing the set in which elements are not written, only their properties are written. So you can write A equal to x such that x equal to n square, and n is a element of natural number. X cited x equal to n square, n is a element of natural number, and 1 is less than equal than 1 is less than equal than n, and n is less than equal than you can say 4, because 1 square is 1. So 1 is less than equal than n is less than equal than 4. So n lies between 1 to 4. So you suppose n is 1, so 1 square is 1, n is 2, 2 square is 4, n is 3, 3 square is 9, n is 4, so 4 square is 16. So A equal to x where x equal to n square, where n is a natural number. N is a element of natural number, and 1 is less than equal than n is less than equal than 4. That is n lies between including 1 and 4. So this is a set builder form. If you write x n equal to 1, so this is x is 1, x is 4, x is 9, and x equal to, if you put x equal to x where x is a n square. So if n is 1, so x is 1. If n is 2, then x is 4. If n is 3, then x is 9. If n equal to 4, then x is 16. Now you see the next question. Write the set 3, 6, 9, 12 in the set builder form. Again, we have to write this set in the set builder form. So x equal to a equal to x such that x equal to 3n, where n is an element of natural number and n lies between 1 to 4. So this is 1 less than equal than n and n is less than equal than 4. Suppose n is 1, so x is 3. N is 2, so x is 6. N is 3, then x is 9. N is 4, then x is 4. So this is a set builder form. Again, come to the next question. Write the set of all letter in the word better in the roster form. This is the word better. We have to write all the letter of this word in the roster form. So A equal to B, E, here T 2 times, E 2 times, but the members are not repeated. So write only one E, write only one T and R. This is the right answer. This is the roster form of the word better. BETTR. E 2 times, write only one time. T 2 times, write only one time. So this is the correct answer. Thank you.